Yes, Empire Crypto TV. Please be sure to click that like button and please do subscribe. But now, before I start with the show, I'd like to announce that our brand as Empire Crypto TV will be changing or expanding to a new name known as Empire Finance. So we'll be broadening our content to other financial and business venues that we're going to including in our channel. So we're going beyond crypto, but we are still the channel that still delivers crypto news at its best. Right now, we are seeing Bitcoin going at an all-time low, but first I would like to start with Ethereum and seeing right there a sharp drop on Ethereum that happened last night. That just happened, just shook like that. News came out that I'm going to share. Some talk about SpaceX, some talk about a frenzy that happened psychologically and it just tipped off a sell-off eventually. So right here you can see that Ethereum from that point, from the 1800 points, falling all the way down to 1500 levels per coin. This is evident as well to Bitcoin itself. Looking at the chart, which is everyone has been talking about it, you can see that the coin dropping from that level up there from 29 levels to 25k per coin. This is today, but now currently sitting at 26,000 per coin, breaking the support level of 29k. Some serious moves that has happened, volatility at its best, but news did come out. But before we go into the details about what's what and what's happening, but let's look at the coin market cap right here. Coin market cap still on 1 trillion. Just above 1 trillion, and I can say that it has significantly dropped from that 1.1 trillion because of the bear market that the crypto market is experiencing currently. And of course, looking at Bitcoin, it's blood on the streets, as you can see. But overall, the dollar, and when you want to look at dollars in other words in terms of crypto, looking at stable coins, USDC and of course USDT, you can see that the dollar is pretty much doing well. On the other hand, I believe that the fact that the dollar is strong, the strength of the dollar, and having heard from the Federal Reserve Bank having to foresee that they will be still raising interest rates, this also brought some currencies coming down against the dollar. The dollar was strong, and also the dollar has a lot to do with the crypto also losing value. And for a long time, crypto has been moving in a sort of like sideways trend, which I want to also analyze just quickly. But now looking at the top 5, you can see we have Tether, we have BTC first, and of course Ethereum, Tether, BNB, XRP, USDC at 6, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin. So this is coin market cap. But more importantly, let's look at once again at the chart. What I'm talking about is this, guys. For a very, very long time, this has been a sideways trend. Analysts, they were, aware that something was bound to happen. For a very long time, we've been sitting on this sideways trend, more or less the same way. Support and resistance, all the way up until last night, yesterday, when the coin broke out and the market activity, instead of going up, but it went down. For those who are bullish on the crypto side, most certainly have lost a lot because of these moves. But let's just read the news. First news that came out regarding this bear market that is shaking the crypto space as we know it. Just waiting for the article to reveal itself right there. Elon Musk SpaceX news sends Bitcoin tumbling. But there are some people who are refusing this, or who are advocating against it, saying Bitcoin plunged Thursday night as news that Elon Musk SpaceX has sold all its holdings of the cryptocurrency. So that's one of the perspectives that we have regarding this bear market. Other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Dogecoin also sold off, while Bitcoin related stocks such as Coinbase, Marathon Digital and Riot platforms retreated. And this retreatment, I think it also has to do with what's happening in the market. So, but is it SpaceX? Because there's some people who are disputing that. They are disputing that. On this article, CoinDesk, saying that news analyst says, no, SpaceX isn't the cause of this multi-billion-dollar Bitcoin bloodbath. It goes on to say Bitcoin prices fell suddenly late on Thursday amid reports of hundreds of millions in sales, triggering a bloodbath across futures and spot markets. Psychology, I must say, it has to do with this at some levels. I must say, okay, just woke up. Who sold, and that's the sentiment. That's the psychological sentiment that this whole bear market has. At the same time, some say SpaceX, some say, okay, they just woke up. Who sold? I think it has to do with psychology. There is no major event or major significant. Should I say something happened and we say, okay, Bitcoin is sort of like raising of interest rates or so forth. This is quite different because it has fallen quite drastically from where it was. This was the first thought that crossed the mind of Retika, a Dubai-based Bitcoin and crypto trader, during her usual routine of checking prices after waking up. So you're checking prices, you can see that there's a drop down going down. Maybe the triggering could have been that SpaceX sentiment, and it triggered a lot of bearish psychologies across the trading network within crypto. Okay, an unexpected and major sell, unexpected and a major sell off. It was unexpected, so that is why I say there is no major cause for it. In the crypto markets, jolted when was an otherwise boring few weeks. For boring few weeks, they're talking about this long sideways trend that I was telling you about. This long sideways trend that I was telling you about. So it's been a boring week. So at some point they believe that something should have triggered this long boring trend that they're speaking about on this article. So unexpected major sell-off in the crypto market jolted what was an otherwise boring few with crypto, and the sentiment was likely shared worldwide among traders and crypto hopefuls, Retika told CoinDesk in a message. Okay, which I certainly do agree with that message, because it was very dull seeing crypto just going sideways the whole time without major action. So these are some of the tweets that were posted when all this action was taking place. Bitcoin plunged on Thursday as traders sold the tokens en masse based on several unrelated catalysts, causing the crypto markets to lose 6.7% in overall capitalization in what marked one of the biggest drops in the recent months. In the past 24 hours, Bitcoin fell as much as 9% to $25,000, as we've seen on the chart, from 28,500 on Binance, leading to a market-wide fall that sent major tokens like Litecoin, LTC tumbling by 14%. This caused more than $1 billion in crypto futures to be liquidated. Wow. 1 billion liquidated are not. Okay, that's too much. Okay, that's bloodbath right there. That's the bloodbath. Okay, so that's the bloodbath going down. Now, I like this final point: long squeeze and what really happened. What really happened? Professional traders say market structure and liquidations were a likely reason for the sudden drop instead of a singular fundamental catalyst. I would say SpaceX, that's the catalyst they speak about. The market has also been relatively illiquid, which is true, and flat, creating conditions ripe for sudden movements. This is what they speak about. creating ripe and sudden movements. So there was a lot of illiquidity happening. So suddenly, illiquidity made it ripe for a sell-off that we are seeing. So that must be the cause of this bear market that we are seeing on the crypto side. I hope this has been a clarification, straightforward. Quite something that happened. $1 billion lost in the market. Well, that's the market. There are people who gain, there are people who lose. The market sentiment speaks for itself right here. Empire Crypto TV. There will be a time where I say Empire Finance TV, because we are broadening our relations within the industry of the financial markets. Hence, we're also going to be changing the name. Until next time, thank you very much, crypto investors, for supporting us. Please do click that like button, and please do support the channel by subscribing. And of course, check out the link on the description section. Check out the link on the description section and get connected to many other cryptocurrencies. Until next time, thank you very much.